Welcome to Slatine Beach, one of the hidden gems on the island of Čiovo near the historic town of Trogir. Just a short drive or boat ride away from Split or Trogir, it offers a peaceful escape from the crowded city beaches. Nestled on the northern side of Čiovo Island, this charming seaside village is known for its laid-back vibe, clear waters, and long stretches of pebble beaches. During the summer, there's a regular boat line connecting the beach with Split and Trogir, making it easy for visitors to hop over for a relaxing beach day. The trip offers magnificent views of the islands and will take around 30 minutes from either Split or Trogir. It's a favorite weekend escape for locals too, who love its peaceful atmosphere and views across the bay. For those arriving by car, parking is scattered along the coast, and for the more adventurous, the best way to explore is by bike or just walking along the coastal paths. The beach itself stretches along the coast, offering several quiet coves and sunbathing spots. The water here is crystal clear and perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or simply floating in the calm Adriatic Sea. There are also a few beach bars and local taverns nearby where you can enjoy a cool drink or taste some fresh seafood. While you're in the area, don't miss a visit to Labadusa Beach on the southern side of Čiovo Island. It's one of the most beautiful beaches in the region, with turquoise waters, a laid-back beach bar, and stunning views of the Adriatic, a perfect spot to unwind. And of course, make time to explore the UNESCO-listed Old Town of Trogir with its narrow, medieval streets and vibrant waterfront. If you're heading toward the mainland, Split's Diocletian's Palace is just a short ferry ride away, perfect for a day trip full of Dalmatian history. Whether you're here for a full day or just stopping by on your island adventure, Slatine Beach is a perfect spot to enjoy the natural beauty of Dalmatia, with fewer crowds and more charm. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next beautiful destination.